Hey everyone, and welcome to the 11th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property called Flex, or you can also call it Flexbox, and we will see what is it and how you can use it. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. Okay, so as you can see here in our website, we have three boxes and I have numbered them 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's start. So first of all, I will just target this div, which is the container, as you can see here, which is a container. And let's say in this previous video I have told you the display property called flex. Okay, what it does, it will just align all the items in one single line or one single row. Okay, now I have just set the display flex for all the sub elements, all the elements inside the div class, inside the div tag. Now I can easily use any of the flex property. So let's take a look at some flex properties. The first one is flex direction. So you can see here like property called row. So if I just save it, you can see nothing will happen because it just like the simple normal row. But what will happen if I just write row reverse? Now as you can see here, the element is shifted towards right and it is in reverse order. Okay, so the 3 comes first, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the way you can do this. Okay, so instead of this row reverse, what will happen if I write column reverse? So as you can see here, the column is now in reverse order, the third is now in first. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. So this flex direction is a way to change the direction, to change the flow of the elements. Okay, so you can use this. Now let's see some other properties. Alright, so you can see this flex wrap here. Okay, so this is also like one of the important properties of flex. If I'll just save it, you can see nothing will happen, but it is very useful when you are like designing a mobile website, a responsive website. Okay, so if I'll just take this here, and now if I'll just decrease the width. Okay, so focus on these three boxes. Now if I'll just decrease the width, as you can see here, it automatically shift in like bottom. Okay, it will not overflow, and more, as you can see here, it just shifts accordingly. Okay, and it will not happen if I have not written this wrap. Okay, so let's say if I have not written wrap, as you can see here, it is not rearranging itself. Okay, so yeah, you can see how useful it can be if you will use it correctly. Okay, you can make responsive websites very quickly with the help of this flex wrap property. So now let's see some more examples, and for this I will just come here in the first property because I have defined flex for all the sub properties. Okay, now I can even use flex in individual one. So I will write just flex, and let's say I will write 50%. So what will happen? So it will just take 50% of all the combined elements. Okay, so for example, let's do 50% for all the 3, 1. Okay, the third, second. Okay, so now as you can see here, this 50% means, because I have set like all the three values same, so it means all the elements are now grown by 50%. Okay, are now grown by 50%, and as you can see here, the length and or the width of all the elements are same. So what will happen if I'll just write 100 in only the third one? Okay, as you can see here, it increase. Okay, it increase a little bit. And let's see one more example, which is also known as order. Okay, So this order is also a property of for flex. Let's say for the first one the order will be third. If I just save it, as you can see here, the first one shifted to a third, okay, because I have given it the order of third. Now let's like the same thing with the second one. I will write first, and as you can see here, it is now in first. Let's do the same for this third one. So as you can see here, the second one is now in first position, the third one is now in second, and the first one is now in third. So you can like customize your elements where you want it to be in this way, okay, with the help of this order property. So let's see one more property, okay, which is, let me just save it first. Okay, I will just target the second one, and which is flex grow. Okay, it is similar to like flex, which I have increased here like 50%. So let's say flex grow 2. So you can see here it will just like grow it, okay, and I will just do the same thing for the third one and also like the first one also. So as you can see here, all the elements are now taking equal space. All right, and yeah, that's about it. Flex grow, and there is one more property which is called flex shrink. Okay, so as you can see here, nothing will happen here. You cannot see it, but if I'll just come here and if I'll just decrease the width of the website, as you can see, first of all I have to remove this flex wrap, okay, in order to see that. Now if I'll just do this, you can see let me just see, the second box is shrinking a lot with respect to the first and third. Okay, so this is how you can like set your shrinking property with the help of flex. Okay, so yes, this is all about flex and Flexbox, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.